Just look at that drawer. Look at that drawer. If your ogbono soup isn't drawing like this, then it isn't ogbono. Welcome to Nki's kitchen. Today we are making ogbono soup for dinner, loaded with tender goat meat, chewy tripe, and succulent Ponmo. This is my husband's favorite Nigerian dish. So to see how I made this delicious slimy ogbono soup, I kindly ask you watch till the end of this video. Come on, let's get cooking. First, I start by adding some palm oil into the pot. Then I pour in my ogbono. You can do this in a separate bowl, but I am using the pot for the mixing process. I'll keep mixing until it is thoroughly combined into the palm oil. Now, this is the secret to a smooth, lump-free ogbono soup. Never throw dry ogbono into boiling water. Instead, mix your blended ogbono with palm oil to form a rich paste. This ensures it dissolves perfectly and gives you that signature glossy finish. I'd like you all to note that this method I'm using is not the frying method. I am not frying. I am only using the pot as a mixing process. Like I have said, you can do this in a separate bowl, but I am using the pot. You can see that there isn't any fire yet in the stove. Next, I add in my stock water. You can see I just light up my stove. I mix thoroughly again after adding in the stock.
Time of the week, a new notification for the flavor we seek. Nikki's in the kitchen with the apron tight, showing every step to get the seasoning right. First we wash the meat, then we start with the base. Slow motion for look at the glow on her face. She says don't rush.
Next I add in some pepper.
The secret's in the timing, you can see it in her eyes. Chop it up, stir it down, let the flavors marry. In Nikki's kitchen, there's no way we carry. Just the perfect color for a steaming pot of soup.
I add in my protein. Here I have my goat meat, tripe, called Shaki, and Ponmo.
Chop it up. She's breaking on the goosey, making it look light. Teaching us to whisk it till the texture is right. See the oil rising, that's how you know it's done.
I combine thoroughly.
From the crispy dodo to the pounded yam stack. Once you try our method, you ain't going back. She's the queen of the kitchen, the light of the screen, the tastiest Nigerian dishes that you've ever seen. Whether you're a pro or you're just starting out, she clears the confusion and she removes the doubt. 1 cup of water.
I had to add in some water because the soup was very thick. Next, I add in some grounded crayfish. I combine the crayfish well into the soup. I didn't have to add any seasoning or salt because my broth water has enough. Finally, I go in with my vegetables. Here I am using bitter leaf. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I mix in my vegetable into the soup very well.
Time of the week, a new notification for the flavor we seek. Nikki's in the kitchen with the apron tight, showing every step to get the seasoning right. First we wash the meat, then we start with the base. Slow motion for look at the glow on her face. She says don't rush the onions, let them caramelize. The secret's in the timing, you can see it in her eyes. Chop it up, stir it down, let the flavors marry.
Allow it to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then our soup is ready and done.
For a steaming pot of soup, we're learning every trick from the start to the loop. Hit that like button, let the world know the name. In Nikki's kitchen's cooking and it's never the same.
This can be served with any swallow of your choice, like gari, semo, amala, pounded yam, just to name it.
See the oil rising, that's how you know it's done. Cooking with Inky is a whole lot of fun. From the crispy dodo to the pounded yam stack. Once you try her method, you ain't going back. She's the queen of the kitchen, the light of the screen, the tastiest Nigerian dishes that you've ever seen. Whether you're a pro,
thank you for watching. If you know you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next cooking video. Thank you.
Just the perfect jollof or a steaming pot of soup. We're learning every trick from the start to the loop. Hit that like button, let the world know the name. And Nikki's kitchen's cooking and it's never the same. Yeah. Could be that. Yeah. Yeah. Stay blessed. Yeah. Stay hungry. Keep the kitchen smelling lovely. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Sound of a camera clicking off and a satisfied hum. Screen is glowing, it's that time of the week. A new notification for the flavor we seek. Nikki's in the kitchen with the apron tight, showing every step.